Hi everyone, the webinar will be start within no more than 2 minutes. And stay tuned. Okay, hi everyone. This is Alva from Renon Power technology. And today we are going to talk about the frequently asked questions we collect from everywhere. So we are going to start from the brief introduction. Now, the solar industry is witnessed the rapid growth in the global demand for storage systems, especially the electrification of transportation is set to boost the need for solar energy build-up. Against the backdrop of soaring electricity prices and the maturation of lithium battery technology, the installation of energy storage systems is becoming more popular around the world. As batteries become an indispensable asset in the new solar household, the future of energy independence is looking a big shine. And on the residential level, which we focused mostly, has a host of drivers, including supportive policies in many parts of the world, and surging electricity prices are driving demand to new highs. Each year, the global residential battery storage market continues to topple the installation records despite the appearance of multiple supply chain crunches, and prompted by the rising raw material cost. So we are going to start from our mission. Our mission is to make green power within reach and to make sure that solar energy is available during outages, so as we can avoid the power anxiety during the blackouts. We may start from this question. By combining solar with the battery storage technologies we are owning, we can build a robust energy system that responds to whatever threats and disruptions might lie ahead. To learn more, we may start from an easy question. Like someone has asked that he is currently considering purchasing the high voltage version 1 or low voltage version 2 of our Xtreme series for reducing his electricity bills. So he wants to know the manufacturer of the battery cells that we use. So for this question, we are gonna give you the clear answer that we have built stable and deep relationships with multiple tier first cell manufacturers. And currently we are mainly build up our connection and cooperation with Eve and Rapt. So this is the first question. And next, we're going to talk about the capacity of our production. Someone asked, how many modules can Renon Power produce or deliver per month? And here are the images that we collected from the factory that located in China. That the first picture is about the craft, and the second is mostly the scenery of the situation that we are shipping. And the third one is the battery testing channel. So for this question, we are gonna firstly respond that we have 4 fully automated production lines in total. And for the capacity, assuming 10 working hours per day, we can produce 26,000 battery modules per month with all the 4 lines keeps running. Besides, as I have mentioned above, we are equipped with the battery test channels, and the amount is around 60. The 60 advanced battery test channels and 3 quality insurance for each product that we are strictly applying, allowing us to have industry-leading performance and safety performance. And can we move on to the next question that may have many interested in? I guess most of the friends or partner that we met are putting great interest in the BMS, saying that I was wondering how your BMS works, and also does it mean that it can recognize the number of modules, the battery modules itself, and adapt when he or she wants to expand the battery storage? So it comes to the question that the built-in BMS we have in each battery modules. Our BMS, shortened from Battery Managed System, is built into the battery module, so you don't need to worry about the capacity configuration, which means you could expand the capacity by simply adding the battery modules, stacking, piling up, or connecting in parallel. And we are gonna share another key information that the BMS we are using adopts auto-addressing technology. Hence, the system can be automatically addressed after installation. And users don't need to set the battery module address one by one. So it's smart, right? Also, upon the built-in BMS, someone asked that can the battery managed system realize the remote control? The remote control, which links to another question. The ESS, shortened from Energy Storage System, can realize its remote control, but it's not because of the BMS, but our own Renon Cloud platform. So here is a screenshot from the Renon Cloud running. The cloud-based background management software can remotely view your system operation data and statistics, and also the analyze in real time. It also supports the system working parameter setting and generates your personal reports among the issues like how your ESS, how your energy storage system reduce your energy cost, the electricity bills, and the budget of your months or seasons or years, that it is totally self-developed and designed. And it will be coming soon. So stay tuned to Renon Power's channel, and we will bring you shock informations. When we talk about the BMS and the Renon Cloud platform, we also need to mention another intelligent system, which is the EMS. What about EMS? What about the energy management system? And what are the functions of them? Actually, the EMS tool can show you the running states, real-time power, the daily and accumulated energy information, and etc. Parameters configuring is also supported. The EMS can have an early warning alarm when there is overheating, overcurrent, or overvoltage. And please note that the EMS tool is also Renon self-developed, so we reserve all the rights. So the image I have put on the slide is the Xtreme series. The Xtreme actually has firmware upgrading in 2022. So here are the confused from our customers that what are the difference between our Xtreme series version 1 and version 2. So it comes to the question about our product innovation. We have the built-in DC-DC converter. So with a DC-DC converter inside, users can expand or change battery modules whenever they want, and no need to consider the quality or SOC of old modules. So it is a great good news for everyone that you can expand battery life. And clearly, it can reduce the investment amount upon the energy storage system. So furthermore, what is so great about this, the DC-DC converter, is that it can realize a constant voltage and a constant power. Also, the dynamic current equalizing technology can help protect and extend the battery's lifespan, as I have mentioned above. And we are gonna move on to the next slide. Also, is concerning the Xtreme series. Xtreme series, as mostly published on our social media accounts, that it mostly shows 4 modules in standard. So someone has asked that he was greatly impressed by the Xtreme at the Birmingham exhibition, which we have took part in. And I remember it was October 18 to 20 that our team showed on the NEC Birmingham in United Kingdom. So he saw it was 4 modules per set. So is it start from 20 kilowatt hour, or is there any possibility of lower capacity? And we fully understand this confusion, because not everyone have the demand of large capacity, storage capacity. So as I have wrote on the title, that it is scalable, designed scalable, so it has flexible selection. In fact, it starts from the 1024 kilowatt hour, i.e. 2 battery modules and 5 12 kilowatt hour per module. It supports 2 to 6 modules for stacking, so the capacity is up to 3072 kilowatts per set. And besides, the Xtreme series can support up to 30 systems connected in parallel, so it can provide large capacity. If you are gonna use in a huge individual building, you can consider Xtreme series because it has a master control module on the top, as shown in the video, that has a built-in displaying screen, so you can straightly see how the system running and is there any abnormal situation. So it is intelligent and can power your home smartly. And here I show you the installation guide. Although it is just a shortcut, because I've just put 1 minute shortcuts into my presentation. Actually, the videos has next to nearly 4 minutes in total. We have released on our YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. We will bring to you more and more information you wanted to know in the future. As I said, I have put shortcuts because I have cut off the inverter connecting segments. And here is the inverter matching details that I wanted to share with you. Who do you have compatibility with? And yes, sure, because our energy storage system in this phase are mainly including batteries, but not the all-in-one system. So you need to connect to your own inverter. So the inverter brands is a big question that many customers interested in. Actually, we have a list of compatibility because Renon residential series are being strictly tested, and it can compatible with over 16 mainstream inverter brands like SMA, Victron Energy, SolarC, and etc. And we assure you, we will continue to test and match as many as possible in the future, so you can realize the fluent connection between them. So the above is all of the contents that we are gonna share with you today. And the next, we are gonna talk about this year with our achievements. We have lighted up our footprints all around the world. And this image is the International Solar Exhibition that we took part in. In this year, among May, yeah, the spring, and we also shows the stools on SPI, the RE Plus exhibition featuring SPI and ESI. And also we attend the Solar and Storage live show in Birmingham. And thankfully we got great impressed. We also organize many roadshows all around, no matter United States or South Europe or other places, and you can connect us on the info at renonpower.com. We welcome your inquiry. And here is another pictures that the ATE testing, the conference we have arranged, and quality inspection before shipping. And this is like this huge E-cube is the 157 kilowatt hour product that we have shipped to Japan for community usage. We also welcomed your microgrid solutions inquiry besides the residential series. We will also be bringing our forward-looking solution to the European and South African markets, because we have witnessed a huge potential for energy storage. If you have any other questions, please feel free to make comments below, and the staffs will give you right answers. Also, I want to share with you that recently in Europe, particularly, the prices for electricity and gas have skyrocketed as a consequence of bottlenecks in supply. And already high gas prices at a time when the economy picked up again after lockdowns in the first year of the COVID-19 pandemic. So the energy crisis has also been further exacerbated by conflicts and instability in the region. So we may say that the focus for residential solar and storage in Europe is looking bright. So no matter where you come from and what the matters you are meeting with, we are feeling pleasure to bring to you suitable solution. And we are gonna coming to an end. Thank you for your patience. And have you enjoyed an excellent holiday weekend? We wish you a happy new year. May the joy and warmth and energy be with you in this winter and also the coming next year, 2023. So if you have any other questions, please feel free to contact us. We are gonna end up this live stream.